Sorry about that. I'm actually going to probably make myself late for work so I can see all these birds, but they're crazy. Just watch. There's a ton of them down here. A mixture between blackbirds and dove. There's probably 70 or 80 out of here. They're all over me. And Braxton just jumped up a lot of the blackbirds. Get over here, you dummy. You ain't no bird dog. Alright, let's see. I got some more dove right there. Dove right here. Dove right here. Dove right here. They're all after Braxton. Dove. Sit down. Dove. I mean, the dove are coming right at us, and they're back down in the field. So I mean, they're crazy right now. I mean, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I mean, they're just, I can't even count them right now. This is crazy. Alright, bye.